subscribe, and then turn the notification on to get notified about every new lesson which I upload in this channel every day. Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Espero que estés bien. So today we will learn how to ask country. For example, where are you from? Where do you live? I live in, and so on. I hope you are learning Spanish with passion because I was not able to make lessons in Spanish language. That's why. Anyways, let's start today's lesson. To ask someone where are you from, you will say ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? De means from and also of. And it also has many other meanings like by, with, about. But here it means from. ¿Dónde means where. And eres means you are, which is formal. ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? To answer you will say soy de and your country. Soy de and your country. For example, soy de México. México means Mexico. Soy means I am, and de means from. Soy de México. I'm from Mexico. And now you can ask, where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? ¿Dónde vives? It means, where do you live? ¿Dónde means where. Vives means you live. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Spanish people pronounce V like B also. You know, you cannot make difference between them. But if you say ¿Dónde vives? It's not correct, but just say ¿Dónde vives? Fast. You can answer like this. Vivo en and your country. Vivo en and your country. Vivo en México. I live in Mexico. Vivo means I live, and en means in. 2 extra sentences. ¿A dónde vas? ¿A dónde vas? ¿A dónde vas? Which means where are you going? ¿A dónde means to where. Vas means you go. ¿A dónde vas? Where are you going? You can answer me voy a casa. Me voy a casa. Me voy a casa. Me means I. Voy means I go. A means to. Casa means home. Me voy a casa. I'm going home. I hope it was helpful for you. Please like this video and share with others, and also subscribe to Language Animated channel for more Spanish lessons. And of course, ask me if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Gracias por ver.